Shark!
I think I messed up the recipe.
No, no es bueno. Yes, sí.
Stop! You good?
Oh, yes.
Okay,
Oh, show me your place.
my place?
Sí.
Okay, let's go. So this is my house.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice casa.
Yeah, anything you want to see in particular?
Oh, I heard you like cheese.
Oh, I got some cheese, yeah.
Yeah, show me.
I'll show you. So this is my cheese.
What?
Yeah, my prized possession.
Oh my god, easy for me?
No,
What?
no,
You're not even gonna share it?
no, you can't have it. Sorry,
But I want it.
no, get away.
I'm gonna make
no.
nachos.
It's getting dark out. I think it's time for you to head home. I don't know.
I thought I crashed here, homie.
Oh, you want to sleep here?
Where am I supposed to go?
Okay. Come on. I'll let you sleep on the couch. You.
Primo! I love sleepover!
Hey, time to sleep. You're on the couch, okay?
Okay.
Make sure you don't touch any of my
Blah,
cheese.
blah, 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 blah.
What? What are you laughing about?
No.
Make sure you're not. Okay. I don't think he's gonna touch my cheese. I trust him. Okay. I'm gonna just get some sleep. Hopefully he doesn't touch my cheese. I don't think he's gonna. I trust him. Yeah.
It is time to gather my people. Senior Shark's machine. If I'm gonna get the cheese, I gotta make a crew. Silencio! Okay? Listen, we gotta go get Mr. Shark's cheese, alright? Okay, let's go. Silencio! Okay, I got a plan. We're gonna go upstairs. We're gonna go in the closet. We're gonna get the cheese!